Every day, Liam carried a bright blue lunchbox to school. It had stickers of rockets and stars on it, and inside, his mother always packed his favorite lunch: peanut butter sandwiches, a banana, and a little note that said, "Be kind, be brave, and smile today." Liam was a cheerful boy. He shared his crayons, held the door open for teachers, and always said thank you. But he never really thought his lunchbox could make a difference. Until one rainy Tuesday. That day, as the bell rang for lunch, Liam sat with his friends at the usual corner table. Everyone opened their lunchboxes, the cafeteria filled with smells of sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. But Liam noticed something different. A boy named Arjun, who had just moved from another town, was sitting alone at the edge of the cafeteria. He had no lunchbox, no sandwich, and not even some fruit. He just stared quietly at the table, pretending not to be hungry. Liam felt a soft tug in his heart. He looked at his lunchbox, then back at Arjun. Without thinking twice, Liam stood up, walked over, and sat beside him. "Hey," he said with a smile, "you can share mine." Arjun's eyes lit up with surprise. "Really?" Liam opened his box, split the sandwich in half, peeled the banana, and shared his cookie. "My mom says food tastes better when shared." He grinned. That lunch became special, not because of what was in the box, but because of what came out of it. Kindness, friendship, and a warm feeling that filled both their hearts. From that day on, Liam and Arjun sat together every lunch. They shared food, jokes, and soon, stories about their families and dreams. Other kids joined in too, and soon, there was a new table in the cafeteria. One where no one sat alone, and everyone shared something, even if it was just a smile. And every day, Liam's mom still packed his lunchbox with care. But now, she added a second banana. Kindness doesn't need to be big. Even half a sandwich and a smile can change someone's day.